Hello you guys, welcome to my channel, and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today let me show you how to remove the low beam headlight bolt. So it's pretty easy. You got two headlight bolt right here, one here and one over here. Let me show you how to replace one of them. Very simple to do. So you got the plug right here. All you need to do is press down that and pull it down. Press and pull. So you got it. Very easy to do. And next thing you want to do is you want to twist it this way. So twist it and then just pull it out. As you can see, very easy to do. And okay, let's try to pull out the other one. Same thing with this side. Press it and pull it down. So as you can see, this one is in an angle. So all you just push it up and pull it out. It's that simple. You can see. So there you go. So now okay, so now you're gonna wonder, why do I pull out a LED bolt? The LED bolt. Why do I need to do that? Let me try this. Okay. So this is the LED Osram bolt. And then let me see, I have to show the gum glove and everything. So this is the standard one, the one I have for my car. This is the standard one. So this one's a Phillip. In case you didn't see, it's a Phillip. So we put that, both of them, on the side. Okay, as you can see. Now let me show you the spec right here. So this is the spec right here. So the Phillip versus the Osram or Osram. So it's a LED. As you can see, the color is 32K for the regular Phillip, and then this one is 65K. So this one is yellow and this one is kind of bluish, right? So this one, the lumen is only 900. This one is 16K. You use 55 watt. This one 35. The lifespan is 800. This one is 40,000, right? So of course you get the LED. You use less power. You got more output, right? And the color is a lot whiter. It's become almost blue. So why do I remove the LED and then I'm gonna put it back the original one, right? So if the spec everything's so good, then why do I do it? Well, here's the problem. A lot of people fall for this, right? is when you do the 65K color at nighttime, it's kind of like bluish white, right? At nighttime, when this shine on the road, first of all, you cannot see anything, because what you're supposed to do is after 40, I think 45 or 50K, anything above that, I think anything above 45, you actually losing um, your visibility. Okay, so that's the reason why I took this out, the LED out. LED is good, everything's good, the brightness better, I can see the brightness better, but when you're on actually on the road, so you cannot see anything, especially when you're in the rain. Basically, you just blind in the rain. The brightness just reflects back, and you cannot see anything in the rain. So this is the lesson. If you guys plan to upgrade your light bulb to something more brighter, LED is not the way to go. It might look nice for maybe a show car or something like that, but for usefulness, definitely not worth it at all. Also, because it's LED, it's pretty hard to get anything that down to 45K. You can get LED. From what I researched, none of the company make anything like the 45K color. Okay, all of them is 60. You got maybe 50, all the way up to 65. Most of them are 65. Yeah. So there's no way you get anything if the LED one is in the color range of 45. That would be perfect. But it's not. None of the company make it. So that's the reason why I'm gonna put back on my old original one. So if you're thinking about getting LED for your light, for your headlight, for your low beam headlight, forget about it. It's not worth it. It just look nice at nighttime. It look nice. It look bright. But when you're actually on the road, and when you actually have all kind of different weather conditions like raining, wet, forget about it. You're not gonna see anything with this LED light. So my next option, if I really want it, my next option is gonna be the HID kit, because HID, they can get down the spec to about 45K, 45 or 50K color range, and that would be perfect. But what you want to get is maybe 45, somewhere around 45, or maybe 43 is perfect. So you got a little kind of yellowish in there, but it's a lot brighter, a lot wider than the 32K. So that's your perfect range right there on the road itself, on the actual road. So 45 or 43K, that's perfect. 50, I wouldn't go with 50 because it's more a little bit over on the white side, and then that at nighttime you can barely see it too. So but for now, just comparing the LED and just the regular halogen bulb, definitely go with the regular halogen. Don't get the LED. Don't follow all the hype. It just look nice on the camera, and most of the YouTube reviewer, they say it's brighter and it's better and all stuff. Don't listen to them, okay? Because maybe they do it for a promotion or something like that, but in the end, in the real world, it's useless. So the original one is better. Okay, so I'll go ahead and you saw me how to remove the bolt. I'll go ahead and put everything back, and just call this the end of the video. So this is just a tip. If you want to upgrade your car low beam, don't go with LED because it's worthless. It's not even useful at all. Okay, just stick with your original, and I might get a LED kit to put in this car, And if I get it, have another video for you guys to show you um, how good it is. So that's it. That's it for this video. And I hope you find this one is a useful tip. And trust me, I did a lot of research on this. I read a lot of forum. I watch a lot of video. I read a lot of spec. I do a lot of Google. So I'm not just saying this um, for a video. Okay, this actually is the facts. And I know LED is very inexpensive right now. I got this one for only about maybe $22. So the price is good, but the usefulness, not at all. So not good. So no LED, okay? Make sure. So that's it for this video. I hope you find the tip useful, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right? All right, bye.